it was built in the 70s.
They had no screens
Mhm.
on them. Some of them opened, some of them didn't.
Right.
The old metal.
Casements around them.
Just the fact that we couldn't open the windows, there wasn't screens,
Mhm.
couldn't open it, couldn't get any fresh air. We have tons of windows all over the house, so wanted the availability to do that in the spring and the fall, and more insulation. I was looking for some more insulation. So.
Because you just feel the air come in around them.
Oh, they were awesome. They worked well, they cleaned up, very friendly, fast. So it was really cold. When they called, we said, you know, it's winter out here and it's really cold, so we're really concerned about you guys putting the windows in, you know, at this time of the year. And they, you know, covered up the windows and they did an awesome job. It's very good. Well, they're beautiful. I love the look of them from the outside and the inside. They're just so much more cleaner, nicer looking. It's warmer in here.
Yeah, I mean, we basically have, you know, it's 0 degrees out and we have our thermostat set at 67, and
So,
you know, it's very comfortable in here. So.
And I've got to open the windows on some of the beautiful days. That's been very nice.
It was open yesterday.
Yes, yeah. So I definitely would. And I already have. I just told them that they're, you know, they're very nice windows. We've already noticed a difference in our temperature in our house, and the workers have been great at this home and the other home.
Yeah.
They did a wonderful job.
Yep. I think they you know, the workers who installed them went the extra mile, you know, to make things correct and right.